Work hard, play hard, work hard, play hard, work hard.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome to this Friday edition of Weather Talk. My name is Joe Farrell, and I do not have an educational spiel for you guys today. So you're probably wondering, well, Joe, what's the point of the video? What are you going to talk about? I will tell you, YouTube audience, I want to talk about this weekend and the temps that are going to be affecting us tomorrow and Sunday, and a little bit of light snow too. So there's going to be a pretty big cool down. You felt it yesterday. We were in the 50s in some places, 40s most places, and I think northern Iowa got in the upper 30s, around 40. Nice warm up from that brutally cold weather that we had at Sunday last week and into the early week. So dang, it felt like spring yesterday, which was nice, but unfortunately it's not going to last. You started feeling that cool down last night. Temps cooled and are a little bit on the cooler side today, but they're still okay. I mean, it's still, low 20s in most places out there, which isn't bad, but it's going to get pretty darn cold. So tonight, temps are going to drop to in the single digits in around the entire state, and tomorrow highs are going to be in the single digits in most places. Southern Iowa may reach 10, 11 degrees, but most places are going to be in single digits. And then here's where we really start to, get brutal, real frigid. So really early on Sunday morning, there is going to be a light snow system that is going to pull through, and it's going to come from the northwest and move southeast and across mostly the western half of Iowa. Snowfall amounts Ames over to Denison and in the Des Moines area as well, probably around inch and a half. But the highest snowfall totals from this are going to be in a little area in between Omaha, Nebraska and Denison, Iowa. And those snowfall totals are going to reach around 2 inches. So it's not like the system is anything real big, but it is going to bring in some strong northwesterly winds on Sunday, and that's it's going to be real light fluffy snow because of how cold it's going to be, and that's just going to really blow that stuff around, and it could cause some visibility issues out there with the roads most likely from this becoming snow covered. And so northern Iowa is going to see some snow as well, but just not as much as Ames, Des Moines, and the areas west of that are going to be seeing the bulk of it. And again, not like it's real big, but those winds could cause some issues on Sunday. And also another issue for Sunday is the temperatures and the wind chill. Wind chills in northern Iowa could reach 40 below in some places. And, more than likely they might not reach 40 below. But 35 below, 40 below, doesn't even matter. When it's that cold, it's dangerous. You need to really bundle up and just, you need to prepare. If you're going outside at all, you need to prepare for it. And dang, I mean, that is cold. That's like that. If you have exposed skin, that will leave frostbite. You can get frostbite with exposed skin in those temps in, I think it's like 15 minutes or less. And that's scary. That's dangerous. And, with the visibility possibly being low out on the road, just, got to be extra careful, take some extra time, use caution, just all that sort of stuff. And highs on Sunday aren't going to reach zero in more than enough places. I'll bringing up some temperature maps for you guys for Sunday morning, and the wind chills and just the temps are just absolutely brutal. So just be careful out there, guys. Things normalize a little bit, just a little bit. It's going to be cold on Monday for MLK Day, and then after that as well. But I'll have a show to cover some next week's weather on Monday, and also should have an educational spiel for you guys. But I do today have a weather fun fact. There's a lot of lake effect snow going on in the northeast right now, but did you know that has happened in Iowa before? I mean, unbelievable, right? And it wasn't Okoboji either. It was actually Sayreville Lake. I don't know what year it was, but KCCI did a little archive story on it last year. And just in case you guys missed it, here's the radar image that they archived. And, the Sayreville Lake, it was on a winter day. Sayreville Lake hadn't frozen over yet. And some cooler weather had been brought in the night before. And a northwest wind just kind of dropped over Sayreville Lake. And with it being open, it created that lake effect snow band just north of like the Des Moines Metro, and then in that little squiggle northeast it dropped. I'm not sure how much snow it dropped, but I'm sure it fell pretty heavy. No matter how much it dropped, I'm sure it fell pretty heavy in that little band there. I mean, that's a real small band because obviously Silver Lake isn't exactly huge. So that's definitely pretty interesting. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Hope you enjoyed the forecast. Be careful out there on Sunday. It's going to be pretty brutal. So you guys have any questions for me, feel free to leave them in the comment section below me here. And I can't wait to get back to you guys on Monday. So we'll see you then.
Play hard, work hard, play hard.